Good morning, Arizona. Time now is 9:11. Let's take a look at the new numbers reported by the Arizona Department of Health Services this Thursday morning. The department reporting an additional 2,529 COVID-19 infections in our state and sadly attributing another 32 lives lost to complications from the virus. Meanwhile, this morning, a new study from Stanford University shows what you eat is important in protection from COVID-19. The research detailing how bacteria in specific foods reduce your chances for being hospitalized if you contract COVID. So to help us understand this and which foods we really want to add to our daily diet is Dr. Vincent Pedre from Pedre Integrative Health. Doctor, thank you so much for joining us today. It is so critical, and it's a message over the last few years that, many of us are hearing, whether we're adapting our lifestyles to it or not, remains to be seen, but that gut health means an awful lot.
It does, because the gut is really the gateway to your immune system. And if you want a strong immune system, you've got to have a strong gut and a healthy gut microbiome.
So where did this particular research in regards to COVID-19 and getting, severely sick, requiring hospitalization or not, come from?
So what they did is they looked at a group of people and they divided them into two groups. And they looked at a fiber-rich diet versus a fermented foods diet. And they were looking at different markers, like what does it do to the immune system? What does it do for microbial diversity, which is one of the keys to wellness? And how does it affect inflammatory markers in the body? And what they found was that a fiber-rich diet helped improve immune function depending on what the baseline microbial diversity of the person was. But it was fermented foods, which was really surprising. It was the fermented foods that actually increased microbial diversity and lowered 19 inflammatory markers. And this, if you link this to another study that was done looking at people who were hospitalized with COVID, and they looked at their gut microbiome, and what they found was that people with reduced microbial diversity, with more of an inflammatory makeup in their gut microbiome, they were more prone to getting severe COVID and to being hospitalized with COVID.
Wow. So I guess you could probably broaden this out and suggest that adding some of these fermented foods to your diet if you're struggling with any sort of autoimmune disorder would be beneficial.
Yeah, and I would say really the big takeaway is looking at a hybrid diet where you're bringing in fiber-rich foods like dark leafy greens, romaine lettuce, dandelion greens, and some of the foods that we call prebiotic foods like garlic, onions, scallions, and then also bringing in those fermented foods like kefir, coconut yogurt, also sauerkraut, pickles. There's a lot of ways that you can incorporate these foods and rotate them so you're getting a mix of all the different types of food in your diet on a weekly basis.
It is kind of remarkable that people can heal themselves a lot through foods, and in particular protecting yourself. And we're very worried about immune systems right now, especially as we're going into cold and flu season too.
Yeah, I mean, we have to look at food as our medicine, and depending on the types of foods that you eat, it's going to determine what's happening to your gut microbiome, what happens to your gut lining, and that's going to determine a whole bunch of things in your body, including how resilient your immune system is and how well it is at turning off inflammation once the infection is done. Because, if with any infection, when we see people hospitalized, what do they die from? They die from an immune system that does not shut off and it starts attacking cells.
Wow, that's really important. Dr. Pedre, thank you so much for your insight today. I'm starting to plan lunch right now. It's kimchi with sauerkraut on the side.
Sounds awesome.
Thank you.